Actual printing from the program. You have a ADC process of the microprocessor, which is taking the analog to the digital, and the sensor will emit some wavelength, well, some waves, and then when it reflects on the object, it will detect the deformations of the wave and create the model in the scanner.
Printing, it is actually the country way of the microprocessor, digital to analog, since the different models have different numbers assigned, which will let those values turn into coordinates or levels. Then it is important to note different kinds of input for this for the printing. We have first models created through software and scans, just like Guy told, which are easier, but also tend to have some kind of errors. However, 3D printing also allows printer management, which allows you to know what's the status of your printer, knowing what are the levels of the materials you have, and how well it's going on. And about social impact, it allows independent and cheaper production. This is because now through you're enabled to create your own objects, whatever you desire, and use them for whatever you need. When you buy a 3D printer and the materials, you don't need anything else, which you can have materials which are editable. So there are some cuisines which are using the 3D printer in order to make like beautiful eating things like art, which allows the 3D just to have the model and then print it with chocolate or something. That's all. Okay, that's it. Bye. Bye bye.